Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to get the Google Play Store on your iPhone. So as you can see, I got the Google Play Store right here, and I know it sounds kind of ridiculous, but yes, I'm on an iPhone, you can clearly see. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it on your iPhone. So if you want to get Android apps and all that bullshit, because there's a lot of Android apps that are only on the Play Store, then I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So the first thing we need to do is go to our browser, and we need to go to the website where you can actually get the Play Store. So let me just type it in. The website is matrixmods.com. So on this website, guys, just come to the search bar, type in Play Store, press on it, press download. Before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free, and then we're going to be good to go. So let's wait for this to load, as you can see. So here we go, guys. So let's see what happens. So it's going to say missing files. So we just need to download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. You know, we got like Match to Win, Travel Town. So this one's like download and reach level 10. So I just go to the App Store, play it until I'm level 10. And then I should have the Play Store on my iPhone. But obviously I have to do 2 of them. So this is just one. But yeah, it's fairly easy. So I just like play through this right here, as you can see. Just running it. And I mean, it's super cool. Now, one thing I want to mention is make sure you go to settings and you have background refresh on, and also make sure you have low power mode off. But other than that, you should be good to go. So that's how to get the Play Store on your device. So yeah, this is super cool. You just got to download 2 of these apps. You're going to be all set. So yeah, I've tried a lot of methods in my time, but this is the only way that actually works to get the Play Store. And if you press help, you got the video you can watch. So that's pretty cool, guys. So be sure to try it out if you want to get Google Play Store on your iPhone. You can see all the games and stuff. All this stuff is available for you. So we have like Klondike Adventure Farm game, you know, whatever. I don't really care what you play, guys, but just get 2 of the apps and then you'll have the Play Store on your phone. So that's crazy, bro. It actually works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but be sure to try this out if you want to have Google Play Store. And the apps vary depending on your country. So I live in the US, so these are the ones that show up for me. But yeah, be sure to try it out, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, have your friends look at it because it's super epic. And I'm going to see you guys later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super cool, guys. And it totally works 2026. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But yeah, have fun. This is really cool and it's updated and everything. So you guys can give it a shot and you should be good to go. So as you can see, Play Store is here and it works totally fine. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you don't have it, because I know you want it, bro. And that's so epic. So yeah, have fun, guys. But that's how to get Google Play Store on your iPhone. So yeah, I mean, I haven't had any problems with it or anything like that. It works great. So you guys can enjoy it right away. There's haters though, so I just want to address their concerns. This is real, guys. You can give it a shot yourself and find out. But it's legit. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, you're gonna be all set. So yeah, have fun, guys. Just download 2 of them, play them until you're rich. Because you're gonna be rich because you got like Android games that are free on Android, but they're paid on Apple. So that's crazy, bro. So be sure to try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super awesome. Totally works, guys. So be sure to get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out, my group.